Hey,
Oh, hey, I didn't see you there. I'm sure you have a lot of weddings to go to this season. In fact, I've been to a few, and there's one thing that this entire festive season has taught me is how to be fashion goof up free. Yes, ladies, I have a few trusty hacks that can help you combat anything this season. And if you want to know them, why don't you come watch it and see it for yourself? If you like these hacks and would like to see more videos from us, don't forget to like, share and comment, tagging all your friends who have a lot of weddings to go to this season. See you.